Here we have the project artificial vision for blind person. So basically this project is made up of Arduino and ultrasonic sensors. So the objective of this project is to provide the information about the obstacles in front of the blind person or the person with visual disability. So and give instructions to the person whether to move forward or stop, whether there is an obstacle left or right, etc. So that's an objective. So now let's see the working process of this project and how it works. So basically ultrasonic sensor detects the obstacle in front by sending the sound from the speaker, and based on the obstacle in front, if there is any obstacle in front, so it detects the information or the sounds back by echo and gives the signal, the buzzer, to stop, and also the vibrator in case there is a loud noise outside. Okay, so the vibrator is connected to the hand of a person, so it vibrates even if there is no sound. If the person can't hear the sound, then the vibrator will give the vibrations, the physical indications, and then the ultrasonic sensor will make a left turn. Okay, so sound, vibration, so the left turn it will check, and then it takes a right turn and checks. So it compares the distance between left and right. So whichever side the distance is less, so that side it will give the tone. Now the three tones means it is left side. So let me show you. Now the left side is more there is no very less obstacle and means it's open. So right side detected obstacle means front and right. So if it is right side, it is giving two buzzers with a long distance, means long sound. If the obstacle is on the left side, so it gives three sounds with short interval. Okay, two sounds with short interval. So that's how it will say whether there is an obstacle in front or not, and also it compares whether the obstacle on the left and right is shorter. So based on this, the person with disability can take the decision. So the applications are like blind stick, obviously. The persons with disabilities can use this one, or visual impairities, or who have very low visual problems, very high visual problems, etc. And the future scope, it can be integrated with the GPS and GSM technology. Say example, the person can send the location of where he is, or call to someone, or the predefined number by using the GSM module. That's a future scope. And yeah, coming to methodology and working. So now let me explain the components. The Arduino, obviously, which is a main microcontroller board which is programmed, and the inputs are ultrasonic sensor, outputs are buzzer and vibrator. And this whole project is powered with the 3.7 volts lithium ion battery, but 3.7 is not sufficient for Arduino, so we are boosting up the voltage by up to 5 volts by using this voltage boost converter. So this converter will step up the 3.7 volts from lithium ion battery to 5 volts, which will be powered to the Arduino. So methodology, first we have taken the Arduino and we worked on how Arduino works, like understanding the pins configuration, analog digital pins, etc., and also about the physical ports, connections, etc. And then we worked on like how ultrasonic sensor works, like ultrasonic sensor working process, like it sends information out, sound out, and it detects the echo, the sound back, and that's how it works. And also servo is an output device for this, because based on the signal, if there is something in front of it, in front of ultrasonic sensor, then Arduino sends signals to the servo to take a left and right turn and come back to the normal position. So we worked on servo also, how servo works, left right directions, and about the stepper motor working. And then we learned about the buzzer, how the buzzer works, like by giving the power supply, how it vibrates and gives the sound out. And the vibration motor, obviously vibration motor is like a regular motor, but it vibrates rather than moving some gears or moving some heavy loads, etc. So this is about the methodology, and also the coding part. Like we learned about how Arduino IDE works, how to program it, and we checked different variations of ultrasonic sensor, distance measuring, servo motor working like 90 degrees, 0 degrees, 180 degrees. So that's about the project. And yeah, so this project can be used for visually impaired persons.